Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I share simple finance tips to help beginners build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Today, I'm breaking down 5 simple steps that can change your money life forever. Let's get started. First step, track your money. Most people don't know where their money goes. Rs20T here, Rs200 Swiggy there, and by the end of the month, it's all gone. Write down every expense. Use a notebook, an Excel sheet, or a money tracking app. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Job loss, medical bills, or sudden expenses can hit any time. Keep aside at least 3-6 months of your monthly expenses in a savings account, liquid fund, or FD with easy withdrawal. This fund is your financial safety net. Don't invest it in risky assets. Step 3. Start investing early. Even Rs 500 to Rs 1000 monthly in an index fund or mutual fund can grow into lakhs and crores over time. Here's the magic. If you invest Rs 1000 every month at 12% return, start at 22, you'll have Rs 203 crores by 60. Start at 32, only Rs 70 lakhs. The earlier you start, the richer you get. Step 4. Avoid bad debt. Credit cards and personal loans can destroy your wealth. Example, swipe Rs 10,000 on a credit card and don't pay. In 1 year, it can grow to Rs 14,000 plus just in interest. Rule, only borrow for assets like a house or education, not for lifestyle. And always pay credit cards in full. Final step, be consistent. Wealth isn't built overnight, it comes from discipline. Even a small SIP of Rs 1000 done every month for 20 years beats irregular big investments. Consistency plus time equals wealth creation.